guys, welcome to this quick review about this very powerful ikeborm cordless vacuum cleaner. We have very high specs of up to 30 kPa suction power, but you could still say this is pretty much a good standard cordless vacuum cleaner and not worth to make another video about that. But I can tell you, no, this thing is totally different, definitely worth to look into that. And the main reason is the battery, because when people are having problems with such cordless vacuum cleaners, in 90% of the cases it's not the vacuum itself, but it's actually the battery. And so usually with most of the non-main brand cordless vacuum cleaners, it's not possible to get additional or replacement batteries, and so the people are forced to dump a really good vacuum cleaner into the trash because they cannot get a new battery. And that's not happening here. That's the huge plus of this system, because it works with a standard 18 volts Milwaukee battery, which a lot of people have already in their home, or it's easy to get them, also very easy to get chargers. And so if you like, you can not only get one battery, you can also buy two batteries if you have a large home to cover the whole area easily. So again, you get everything except from such a battery, but usually very easy to get. And so on the other hand, I'm going to show you what you really get here. We get this main device, really nice, beautiful, ergonomic handle, easy to clean container, high standard HEPA filter, and we have even a mount for that. We get two special nozzles, this long narrow one and the one here with the brush, which has this button, so we can extend it here, use it with the brush, or push it back and then use it with the hard plastic. Comes also with this long front extension. It's not a telescopic one, but usually still works for most of the cases. And then of course we get also this power brush, which is great for hard floors with these soft bristles, but can also work on a carpet easily. We have the small wheels in the front and large wheels in the back, and it's a very flexible nozzle, and not only to the side but also up and down, so you can easily reach underneath furniture. Also good that the rim is not too wide, so we can clean pretty close to the edges, for example in the kitchen where we can't go underneath furniture. And as a great plus, and also one of the most important things based on my experience regarding cordless vacuum cleaners or vacuum cleaners in general, that's this powerful light. This can be super helpful. Of course, can also be very shocking when you see all the dust in front of the light, but at least you will know where to clean. By the way, we get also this replacement filter, and all the filter parts are very easy to clean, are even washable. Of course, like always, make sure that you are perfectly dry before you put them back and using the vacuum cleaner again. Comes of course also with this instructions manual, and this very versatile nozzle can also be easily cleaned. For that we have this button here, we can just pull it back and then we can easily remove this brush roller, so we can super easy clean that. We can even clean it under running water if needed. One of the best designs I've ever seen regarding such a brush. Sometimes it can be very difficult to take them out, put them back. Here super easy. Also very simple to open the dust container. We just push here, then we can take everything down, and here inside we have multiple layers of filtration. Can also take this one out here clean, and as you can see we have even two of these filters. So one is a replacement filter and one you have to put back. Just put it back here, align it, close the lid. I've seen so many people struggling with cordless vacuum cleaners when they have to remove the whole part here. First they don't know how to remove, then they almost can't put it back. Here super simple to open, close it, very convincing system. And also the battery, very easy, also simple operation after adding the battery. Just push here once, starts automatically, then you can switch between the different levels just with one switch, and when we long press we can turn it off. So there's no extra display needed. Here we have the battery display. But you can also use the display of your battery, and all the attachments can be easily connected. You can use them directly like this one here, also this one, or you can combine it with the extension. Just push it here inside. You will hear when it's locked. To release, we push down and remove it again. And then in the front we have same thing. We could add one of these extra special nozzles, or of course the power brush. And so I've been using it now in different areas of the home with different nozzles on the floor, ceiling, carpet, lot of different areas, and it has been working really good. And even without a telescopic function here in the extension, it was super comfortable. So there's actually no telescope needed here, and it has been collecting already a lot of dirt in just a couple of minutes. I put the paper down here so you can see how easy this is to empty, much easier to open, clean, close than with comparable systems. So for me at the moment, definitely the most convincing design for a cordless vacuum cleaner. And so full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing where you can buy it down into the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or want to share your own experience with this awesome vacuum cleaner, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.